Hello, so we have another restoration project here of an old watch, an old unique watch. This is from a company called Commodore, which we all know from the 80s with the computer Commodore 64. Well, they also made in the 70s LED watches, but this is going to need full restoration. It currently doesn't work, so I'm going to strip it all down, clean it, polish it, get it hopefully back to a wearable condition. Most of the work is going to come into this particular case. That's how it's meant to look. But that needs a polish and a clean. This needs a clean. This will go into the sonic cleaner with the strap and everything, see if I can refurbish that. So we're going to give Polywatch a go to see if we can polish up this screen. So we've done the cleaning. We've had the case through the ultrasonic cleaner. It's also had a polish and it's looking very good indeed. We've also done case back. See Commodore, France. Very good. The glass has had a polish, best I can get it. Strap has had an overhaul, clean and a polish also. So we're now going to attempt the reassembly, give the module a bit more of a clean and a service. We need something to hold the glass into the case. Now, normally I would super glue or something like that, but I'm going to use my little watch pads. These are double-sided watch sticky pads. I think the module has all been cleaned. So it takes 2 batteries, and these are going to be in series, so you do opposites. So that's got a little plus sign here, so you have to put the plus sign of that particular battery down. That's got the minus sign, like this. Then that little clip goes in together like this. A working LED watch. Fantastic. Just got to learn how to set it now. But that is amazing. That is fantastic. With the LED watches like this, obviously the screen doesn't stay on all the time to save the battery. You just press the button once and the time appears. So let's see if we can set it. So that's the restoration complete. We've set the time. Very rare, very old watch.